So it's time to feed Beastie again. So I'll show you what I do to get him to sit and wait. So I don't really use no command or out like that. Right, so step one, this is not his food, this is your food. Yeah, if there's another dog, he's gonna stand over this food. Anyone that comes close is gonna go for them, because that's his food. So I'm gonna let the dog know this is my food and you will get it when I want you to get it. So first step, let him know that it's my food. Again, I've got to stand over it, sit over it. So now I'm teaching Beastie that just because the food's out doesn't mean it's yours. Yeah? Now she's sat. Now that's what I want there. This is what I want. And all you do is up. And as we go on, you'll see how I actually how I get to the point where I can leave the food there and they won't touch it. So yeah, I hope it helps. I'm out.